Leash training is essential for every dog owner. It ensures your dog's safety, provides mental stimulation, and is integral to good dog etiquette. However, some dogs may be reluctant to walk on a leash. This guide will help you understand your dog's behavior and provide step-by-step instructions on leash training a dog that won't walk. Before starting leash training, understand why your dog hesitates. Common reasons include fear, anxiety, lack of socialization, previous negative experiences, and medical issues. Identifying the root cause is crucial for developing an effective training strategy. For instance, fear or anxiety may manifest as trembling or trying to escape, while medical issues might require a vet consultation. Ensure you have the right equipment and create a positive environment. Choose the appropriate leash and collar, considering your dog's size and strength. A head collar or front attachment harness can help manage tugging. Create a positive association with the leash by treating it as a toy and rewarding your dog for interacting with it positively. Start leash training indoors where your dog feels comfortable. Use treats and praise to encourage walking. Gradually increase the distance of indoor walks. Transition to outdoor training in a quiet location with minimal distractions. Use high-value treats to encourage forward movement and avoid using force. Gradually increase the duration and distance of walks. If your dog pulls on the leash, use a head collar or front attachment harness. If they sit or lie down, encourage movement with treats. For easily distracted dogs, use high-value treats to maintain focus. If your dog shows fear or anxiety, employ desensitization techniques and positive reinforcement to make them feel more at ease. Be patient and consistent. Use positive reinforcement techniques like treats and praise. Keep training sessions short and fun. Gradually increase the difficulty as your dog progresses. If you're struggling, consider consulting professional dog trainers for guidance. Leash training offers numerous benefits, including improved safety, better control and communication, increased bonding and trust, and more enjoyable walks. A well-trained dog is less likely to run into traffic or get into other dangerous situations, making walks more pleasant for both of you. Leash training a dog that won't walk may seem daunting, but with patience, consistency, and proper techniques, you can help your dog become a confident walker. Understand your dog's reasons for refusing, prepare for training, follow a step-by-step plan, troubleshoot common issues, and be patient. If needed, seek help from a professional dog trainer. Happy walking!